Oatmeal pancake is delicious and hearty breakfast. It is easy to make. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy oatmeal pancake without the use of any additional flour. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We start off by measuring in the oats. You can use any form of oats, rolled oats, quick cooking oats. So measure it in. Please check the description box for measurements. Okay, after you measure the oats into the blender, go ahead and blend it. You can choose to coarsely blend this, okay, if you still want to buy some chunks of oats, or you can finely blend it. Okay, after that is done, just add it to a bowl. Just add it in a bowl, and then we will be adding some baking powder. Like I said earlier, check the description box for measurements. Adding your baking powder, then adding some salt as well. Then mix this together and then set it aside. After this is done, go ahead and melt in the butter. Just cut out the portion you'll be using, pop this in your microwave, or you can use the double boiling method. Melt that in, and then in a fresh bowl, peel in the banana skin off and then add it in a bowl. Okay, I'm just using 2 bananas here. Okay, after that we'll mash it up. Mash this banana up. If you don't want the chunks of banana, by all means blend it. Okay, but I still want to bite in some banana chunks. Okay, just mash that up, and when that is done, we are going to crack in 2 eggs. Just go ahead and crack in 2 eggs, then add in some vanilla flavor. This is just to flavor this up, or you can also add some cinnamon powder for extra flavor. Just whisk this properly. Okay, whisk it up. Okay, and then add in the oats, our blended oats. Just add it in, mix it. If it is too thick, we are going to add in some milk just to loosen it up, and extra richness. Okay, just mix that up, and then after that we are going to go ahead and add in our melted butter. Okay, just add it in and then mix this thoroughly, and then we are going to go ahead and fry. So set up the pan on the fire, heat it up, and then add in some butter. Then with a spoon, scoop in 1 spoon of the batter, of the pancake batter, and then look at when it has these bubbles up, then flip it over and allow the other side to cook. While you wait for the other side to cook, at this point, please subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, it means a lot. When this is done, just take it out and then repeat the process, okay, till all the pancake is done. Add in some butter, scoop in a spoon of pancake batter, and allow it to cook on that side. When it has this bubble, it is ready to be flipped over. Flip it over and allow the other side to cook, basically. And when this is done, take it out and then continue till all your pancake is done. Melting some butter, scooping pancakes till repeat until all is done. This recipe is just for 5 pancakes. If you're making for a larger quantity for your family, you can double the size, okay, using the recipe in the description box. So when all the pancakes are done, top it up with some maple syrup, pancake syrup, or some honey, and our oatmeal pancake is ready to be enjoyed. Serve this, okay, and enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye bye.